Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when the Bluetooth is not showing or the icon is not showing or is missing in device manager in our Windows 11, Windows 10, 8 or 7. And so for that we will be also using all these commands here that you see later on. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our troubleshooter, and to do that, please make a search here in the Windows search tab. Please type troubleshoot. So once you type trouble, you will see under best match or troubleshoot settings, so please click on that. And then once you do that, you will be able to see here the options. We have recommended troubleshooter preferences, the history, and the other troubleshooters. So please click on other troubleshooters. Once you do that, you will be able to see here the most frequent section and the other section. So please click on if you see this Bluetooth option under the other section, please click on the run at the very right hand side or right portion. You will see this run button here, so please click on that, and once you do that, you will be able to diagnose the problem, and it will now start troubleshooting the problem. So the moment you do this, you will be able to fix now. And if this doesn't work for you, let me just close this one. You can also open the run window. So we can do that by simply pressing in the keyboard Windows R key all together, and then you will be opening this run window. So once this run window is open, all you need to do is just to type services.msc. Again, it's services.msc. Now once done, or once you're done typing, just please click on OK or enter. And after you do that, you will be able to open this services window here. So all we need to do is just to look for an option that says Bluetooth. And since that is in the B section, so let's just scroll down a little bit. And I am seeing here three Bluetooth options. So what I am going to do is to make a quick make a right click on that, and then click on the properties option here. And then for the startup type, you will be able to see here the automatic section option. So if this is not set automatic, all you need to do is just to click this drop down button here, and then you will be able to set it to automatic, or you can also choose the automatic delayed start. So either of the two. And then once you're done selecting on automatic, just please click on apply and then click on OK. And do the same process with all the other Bluetooth options that you see here in the services window. So please make a right click again, click on properties, and then set the startup type for automatic. And then once done, apply and OK. And for the last one, make a right click again, click on properties. And then for the startup type, again, please click on this drop down button here, and please select it to automatic. And then once done, please click on apply and then click on OK. Okay, so once you do that, you will try to see if the Bluetooth icon is now showing, and if it's still not showing, then you can also restart all these Bluetooth options here. You can do that by simply making a right click again, and then if you see that this restart option is not grayed out, please click on that and it will restart the service. Okay, so just please do the same thing with all the other Bluetooth options that you see here. And then once you're done with this one, see if it's already working. And once you see that this is not still working, or the Bluetooth is still not working, just close this one. And then okay, so let me just exit all these windows. So the next thing you need to do is to go to File Explorer. So you can search here in the Windows search tab. You can type File, and under Best Match you will see File Explorer. So please click on that. And then once it is open, all you need to do is just to go to the left pane. You will see this PC option. So please click on this PC, and you will be able to see all the devices and drives that you have there. So please click on the main drive or C drive that you have. Once you click on that, you will be able to see here the very last option that says Windows. So please click on Windows, and then once the Windows is already open, we will look for System 32 folder. So please scroll down to the S section This is it, system 32. Once found, please click on that. And then here in the search tab, we will type FSQ. So we have here the upper right corner, you will see the search tab. So please type there FSQU, and it will now start looking for the option or the uh, file or the Bluetooth here. So as you can see, this has the Bluetooth icon. So all you need to do is just to make a right click on that, click on copy, and then close this window. And then here in the desktop, just make a right click and then click on the paste button here, and then you will be able to see or to to paste the Bluetooth icon here in the desktop. And once you open that, you will be able to see you will be able to send files and receive files through your Bluetooth. Now, once this doesn't work for you, you can also do another thing or another option, that is to go to device manager. So let me just make a right click here in the Windows icon, and then you will see the device manager option. So please click on that. And then once you do that, you will be opening the device manager window. All you need to do is just to go to the action tab at the very top top section. So once you click on the action tab, you will be able to see, let me just expand this one. You will be able to see here the option for please click on Bluetooth. You will be able to see here the option for scan for hardware changes. And if you haven't seen this Bluetooth icon here, just please select any of the driver here, and then you can click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes and see if the Bluetooth icon is already showing. Okay, so if it's still not showing, again, click on this action button, and then if you see this add legacy hardware option, please click on that. Once you do that, you will be able to see this kind of window. Here we need to click on next, and then click on the install the hardware that I manually select from a list. This is the manual installing of hardware. So please click on the second option, click on next, and then once you do that, please look for the driver of your Bluetooth, and if you see it, please just select it and then click on next. And then if you haven't, or if you're still not fixing the issue, then you can now click on cancel. All we need to do is just to go to our browser. So I will be opening my Google Chrome browser, and then we will look for, or we will search for, Intel Bluetooth driver. So here in the search tab, please type Intel Bluetooth driver. As you can see here, we have, if you are using Windows 10, you can click on this one. If you're using Windows 7, you can click on this one. So if you go to this search tab, you can specify what Windows you are using. For Windows 11, and now click on enter. So all you need to do is just to look for the website of the manufacturer itself. So I have here Intel, and then just click on that. So we have here Inter Wireless Bluetooth, so please click on that. And then once you click on that, you will be able to see all the Bluetooth drivers for your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So you can download this one. As you can see here, we have the available downloads. You can also read the size, the description, or the detailed description of the driver, and then you can now click on download, and then it will be downloaded in your device. All you need to do is just to install the driver, and then you're good to go. So see if the problem is already fixed, and if it's still not fixed, then you can just close this one, and then we will now run all the commands here. So to run these commands, all we need to do is just to open the command prompt window. So please go to your search tab there, type CMD, and then under best match you will see the command prompt. So please don't click on open, just click on run as administrator, so that we will get this black window here. So all we need to do is just to copy for the first command. We have here this one. So you will be also seeing this in the description box below. Please see to it that you copy it, and then please paste it here. And then once pasted, just please click on enter or OK. And then once you're done with this one, let us copy again the second command. with this in the same window, copy it, and then go to the same window, and then paste, and then click on enter. And then for the last one, we have here this one, so please copy it and then paste it in here. So since it cannot be pasted, so let me just open our new window. So let me just close that one. Again, type CMD, and then we have best match command prompt. So please click on run as administrator, and then we will type here the last, or paste here the last command. So we have now here the last command, and once done, we will be trying to run the system file checker. So with the same window, we will just type sfc space / scannow. Now once done typing, please click on enter, and it will begin the system file scan. So since this is not working in here, let us just open another command prompt window. So again, here in the search tab, type CMD. You will see in the right section, run as administrator. Click on yes, and then we'll be opening this kind of window. Here we need to type sfc space / scannow. Once done, please click on enter, and it will begin the system file checkup. Okay, so let's just wait for it to appear here, and then all you need to do is just to wait for it to be 100% complete. And then once it's completed, just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.